Good morning, TexLa team. I'm meteorologist Richard McAllister with your TexLa weather update for Friday, August 23rd. Current hazards include dangerous heat. Today's forecast calls for mostly sunny skies with a few clouds in northeastern, central, eastern, and coastal Texas and coastal and eastern Louisiana. Rain chances vary between 20 and 50%. The showers should be mostly light, but moderate to heavy rain is more likely along the coast. The dew points really tell the rain story today as a tongue of moisture pushes in from the Gulf. If you're southeast of the 70-degree dew point isotherm, you've got a decent shot at a few showers, particularly as the ambient air temperature rises later today. Here's a look at another product called Theta E, which measures moisture advection. Again, you can see how this mirrors the dew point isotherm and indicates an increasing chance of light to moderate rain. It's probably more information than you wanted, but it's kind of cool to take a peek behind the scenes and see some of the factors that go into the precipitation forecast. We get a reprieve from the rain on Saturday with mostly clear and dry conditions, but there is a lot of moisture building in the central and the eastern Gulf of Mexico, which will push our rain chances higher next week. Sunday's forecast doesn't look too different for most of us, mostly clear skies and dry conditions, except along the coast where rain chances approach 60 to 70%. Also notice that slug of moisture south of Mobile, Alabama, which is moving west. We really could use some of that rain next week. There is a 2% risk of severe weather today and this weekend across much of Texas and Louisiana. The most significant risk will probably be in the Panhandle, where a small surface low pressure will produce added lift. The greatest threat is gusty winds from isolated thunderstorms. Tornadoes and hail are far less likely. All the flood threats have ceased, and this will be the last report until there's a new flood threat. There are 3 tropical waves in the Atlantic basin. None of these systems pose an immediate threat to Texas or Louisiana. Look at the remarkable high pressure in the Atlantic, keeping the intertropical convergence zone deep to the south. Let's hope it stays that way, although I kind of doubt it. Here's a little tropical low which may bump up our rain chances next week. At this point, I don't think anything significant will form. It's just something to watch. Have I mentioned it's really hot? Hang in there. It's about to get better next week. Be careful, stay cool, relief is coming. That's your TexLa weather update for Friday, August 23rd. Tell me how you're dealing with the hot weather. Post a weather question in the comments. I love to interact with viewers. Please subscribe, like, and share the channel. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you back here on Monday for the next TexLa weather update.